cauliflower rice meal. Wash the cauliflower and dry well. Shred the cauliflower. Dry the shredded cauliflower with a towel. The shredded cauliflower should be fluffy and not stick together. Heat the pan. Add the cauliflower rice. This is the best low-carb rice to make. Add some salt and black pepper. Mix it till become tender. It takes few minutes only to be ready to serve. It looks ready to serve now. Serve the cauliflower rice with your favorite protein. I'm using some ground beef. Season it with your favorite spices. It is optional to add some eggs. Mix and fry 2 eggs. Add the fried eggs to your dish. Add some minced parsley. Garnish and enjoy.